Hey, 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 come in, guys. Come in, guys. Are you here? Come on in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Where are we going? I don't know.
Hey, hey, hey.
There I am again, blabbering again. Are you here? Come on in. Let me shut myself up. Sorry, let me shut myself up again. I need a better way to shut myself up, okay? So let's see what happened last week, and let me remind you what we thought would happen last week, and let's see what happened. Okay, Triton again, as we mentioned before, right? It seems like this market just wants to go up, surprisingly. Okay, surprisingly, it looks like it's still strong. We'll see the sentiments also, because you know, we got to see that. Of course, you know, again, if we are reaching the extremes, you really do not want to be there for long, you know, guys. Just got to be careful. You guys really got to be careful, okay? So that's all I am saying. Otherwise, keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Let's see. Let's find some more of these people here before we get off to our what we're going to discuss today. The blowout numbers. The blowout numbers. Oh my God, it really just amazing. Okay, it really is just amazing. Let us see here. Let us see here. Get my things here first. Okay, let me get my things here first. And okay, let's kind of start, guys. Let's kind of start. Let's go here. Let me pull this off, and off we go. How is everyone tonight on a night where, okay, everything's boring, right? It says to stay the same. Bitcoin is becoming its own boring stuff now. Let's go see what are you doing, Bitcoin? What in the world are you doing? Can we see what you're doing? Let's go and see this. And remember that we have another wallets class next week. We're going to focus on Ethereum and also Polygon. And maybe if you come, maybe there's going to be an airdrop. I don't know. Try your luck. Okay, try your luck. And again, join our wallets class next week. Join our wallets class next week. Wallets class next week. At 9:30 a.m. right? 9:30 a.m. Let me copy this out first. 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. Sunday, right? Sunday, 14th of August, okay? 14th of August. And you might win a ledger. Okay. August at, sign up here. Thank you very much. AI. AI. And here we go, wallets. Is it wallet or wallets? I have no idea. Let me check, okay? Is it wallet or wallets? Let me see this, MetaRand.ai, wallet. Okay, wallet, fine. Okay, sign up there, guys. So hopefully we can meet you next week. Okay, so let's see what's happening in the markets today, or what's happening in the markets now. It is a Sunday, which is kind of cool. Again, the dominance is about the same. So altcoins seem to be steady. I just look at this altcoin things. Ethereum seems back above 1,700. It's a very narrow range, you know. It looks like it wants to break up, but it doesn't want to break up. And it's very like that. Look at that. It's just in the middle here. It's just up here, right? It's just up here, struggling with this thing, 23.1. 23 seems to be very key support here, okay? Look at that. 23 seems to be very key support. It can't just break 24. Otherwise, we might go here. Here is 26 and 28. I don't think we're going to go higher than that. Okay, not going to go higher than that, but it seems to be breaking here. Now, if it doesn't break this very fast, can it go down here? Possible. Look at the pattern here. Okay, look at the pattern here. Right, it can do that, right? Or it can try to mount a challenge here. This is the what is this? Are you at the 100? I didn't even define this. Are you 100 or 200 or whatever? Let's go and see this. This is 50. Yeah, this is no, this is not. No, I'm going to take this out. Okay. I just want the 50 and 200. I just want the 50. Okay, it's still there. Okay, it's past the 50, so it's there. Okay, course date is in April. Oh my God, sorry, it's not in April, guys. Click on your wallet link. Okay, I will change that. It's not April, it's actually August. I will change that. Thanks, Chef. So it's not going anywhere. Okay, it's really boring because it's not going anywhere. In fact, all the action now seems to be focused on Ethereum. Look at this. Look at this Ethereum here. Look at that. See, it's going into this resistance area again. It was rejected many times here. Let's look here, okay? Rejected many times. I like this. 1, 2, 3, 4th time. If it goes now, it usually will break at this time, or it goes again the next time. So I think we are really getting close here. And what's driving here is the ETH merge, right? Because the ETH merge is so important. The ETH merge on September the 19th, okay, is going to make ETH deflationary. Not only that, it will make, it will give the fees, the mining fees will go to stakers, okay? And it doesn't bring down the gas fees. They just go to stakers. So this is good. The fees here will go down to stakers. So this is what's exciting here. This is why people are buying ETH here, right? And if it goes up, look at there. You can also see the targets here, right? If it goes above 1,008, just look at that line there. This is a very, very well-defined line here, okay? A very, very well-defined line here. Where are we at the fib? We're at 161, okay. 261 should be a fair target here. 192K, about there, right? Nice. We're getting this 261 here. Nice on this fib. This is nice. This is a nice fib extension after we went above here, after kind of the interaction on the golden pocket. But look, it did go down here and now it's back up again. But what we want to see now is this. Now we saw on Friday, right? This is the mysterious thing on Friday now. As I said, now, if you see now, the markets are getting a little bit more dangerous. So I want to see the sentiment with you. Not only the also the stock sentiment. Look here, right? It's 4145. If you guys remember that day or on Friday, you guys remember that, since this is taking time, you guys have to remember, right? This one started at 4156, right? Again, because of the blowout numbers, again, people are kind of worried, right? Blowout numbers, people are worried the Fed is going to raise rates, right? Blowout numbers, 280, what is it? 230 versus 500. That is totally insane. It doesn't look like a recession. And if it doesn't look like a recession, the Fed, the risk of the Fed raising the interest rate should be high. See? Bauman says 75 basis points should be there. Look at that. Put to bed any short-term recession shock. It doesn't look like a recession. There's something wrong here. It looks manipulated, okay? It really does look manipulated in all of this. So the fact is that this went down to almost 4,100, right? And now look at where it is now. It only has lost a little bit on Friday. What does this tell you? The market is a market that just wants to go up. It wants to go up. That's all it wants to do. Suddenly the polarity on the market has changed. Let's look at the crypto fear index. But first, we'll look at this first. And then we look at the stock fear index. Are we extreme? You want to know now with the S&P here. Let's go see this. I am going to do this. Let's go and see this part here. We want to go and see, right? Hey, the NASDAQ is danger. Is it going to roll over here? I'll show you how to do it afterwards. And the S&P is not there yet, if I'm correct, right? Yeah, we're not there yet. But again, anything could happen. Let's go and see where the S&P is now. I'm going to do like that. I cannot see anything here. I don't know why. I cannot make it bigger. What happened to my screen? Hello, what happened to my screen here? Let's put this side here. Okay, I cannot even tell that. Okay, it's here, right? No, it doesn't allow me that. Why is it doing these things to me? I have no idea. But it's not there yet, right? Look at that. No, this is Bitcoin. Sorry, what am I talking about here? Yeah, here. Let's look at here. So it's not there yet, right? It's not there yet. Look at that. It's not there yet. The NASDAQ is already here. Are we already at a point where it's time to roll over? Okay, let's see this. This is like the 20. Okay, this is like the 20 moving average. This is like the 50, so it crossed. That's obviously bullish. But let's look at the crypto fear and greed index. Where are we now? We are now fear. Okay, we are back to fear. We're going between fear and extreme fear. So again, we're back to fear. We went up to this, right? 42. We said that the point to look was here, right? 50 to 60. Doesn't mean it cannot roll over now, but I'd be more comfortable. It's here. It looks like it may be time to take profit, right? Here around here. See that? See that, guys? This is what? Well, last time was already this, right? 45, maybe, but look at this. More likely here, right? This is like 48, 50, and 60, right? I don't think it's going to go here. If it goes here, it's very, very good. Let's see max here. Yeah, this is like 47. Yeah, that's what I said. It's here is better. I don't think it goes here. I don't think it goes here. This is like too extreme. If it goes here, just get out. Just get out after a couple of days before it rolls over, right? So this is good. Now, what I want to go to is this. I want to go into the fear and greed index for stocks. That's what I'm concerned of. That's what I'm concerned with. Okay, investor sentiment. Are we at that extreme where we're going to roll over? So we know September is bearish, right? We're not in September yet. No, we're neutral. We're neutral, guys. But we're slowly going into the greed and here. 1 week ago was fear. Oh, we will still fear. 1 month ago, extreme fear, right? Remember that ugly CPI number? So now we are neutral. That's good. Say we're almost there, right? I don't know, this 125, never mind. But we're already up at the support and we're neutral. So that's kind of good. We may have room to run some more. Okay. So that is what I conclude from here. Now let's go see this. See that fear and greed index here. Let's go and see what is on the news today. Coin cap. Let's go and see coin telegraph, right? What's happening this weekend? And then we go and see next week, right? What's going to happen next week? There's another big event. If you want to trade, you always have to look this and see what's up here. Let's go and see here, and let's go and see Forex Factory, and let's go and see this. Let's go and see what's up next week. You got to always be careful. Don't assume. Sunday. Is there anything exciting on Monday? Nah. Nope. Wednesday, guys. This is the big boogaboo again. Again, I'm less scared of it now. I mean, this is something like where I say, okay, it's probably going to be positive. Okay? because it's been like going above expectations, which is really negative. But every time we go down, we go up, right? So maybe to slow down the markets, we be positive, meaning that it probably doesn't go up as much as it should, and the markets will really go up. Or maybe the markets will go up to a certain extent that they go down, but it doesn't look like that. What you want to do is, we didn't see this last month, but what happened when the markets went up? There was extreme fear, and this sentiment was so negative. Sorry, did we see that? Yeah, this sentiment was so negative here, extreme fear, right? There was nowhere to go but up. Again, when it reaches here, guys, there's nowhere to go but down, because all the people that have bought. Now it looks okay. Now it looks kind of okay, but the big one next week is clearly on this Wednesday. So we'll probably have our live Wednesday. Okay, you guys know, right? You guys want to know what the live is? It's going to be on Wednesday at 8:15, obviously. And we're going to bring it to you live here so that we can see our our thing next. Yeah, this one, whether it goes up or down. There's no Fed meeting this month, so that's kind of good. Next one is September. This is GDP. Okay, this is another one on Friday, right? But no, this is GBP. No, this is Great Britain. You don't want to go to Great Britain. Prelim UOM. Okay, so cool. So cool. We have something this next week. What do we have the following week? Are we clear for August? Because it looks like if we are clear, remember that we had that inflation thing, and when we cleared that, and because there was not a lot of news in between, the markets just went up. Okay, so let's see. Let's go and adventure. Let's go and make an adventure the following weeks. Monday, nothing. No, wait a minute. We already saw this. 18th. Okay, let's go see this. Okay, let's start again the following week. CAD, nothing here. Core retail. Okay, this might be influence. This is good also. So the following will be core retail. So we're gonna have 2 sessions on Wednesday at 8:15. Okay, this is key. Meeting minutes, never mind. Those are what happened in the past. And this. And we know that the various Fed governors want to raise more, right? Because they see this is really not like a recession. And I guess I understand now why that they are very reluctant to call it a recession. But what I want to say is I am glad that this is at neutral. Again, this. You got to see this, right? If you want to know where markets turn, people tell me that when do markets turn? I don't know. But if I see this at here, extreme grid, I would be worried. If I see this here, I would be worried. If I see this here, I won't be worried. You know why? I'm already out of the market by here. I'm just gone. Guys, I'm just gone if it goes here. I'm so gone. I've already taken my profit, okay? Because look at what happened before. We are not in a good... Why did you come out? He's mad, he's angry. You know, we are in a bad market, and when in a bad market, this says you better get out somewhere around here. And we shouldn't even go here. I'd probably be out already, okay? I'd probably be out already. I'd like to get out before the bad news comes in, okay? That is just the way I think we should do it. Okay, so again, this is what's happening. I'm telling you based on sentiment, there is room for more to run. Okay, so don't panic it. But on Wednesday, it is CPI. I'll bring you there. So we'll have something on Meta on Meta Rand at that day, and I think it's going to be good for the market anyway. Because hey guys, we've had some bad news. Okay, we've had 500K versus 230K or 250K expected. Market recovered very well. We've had the worst CPI above 9%. Market recovered very well. It's like, okay, this is like the upcycle now, okay? What do we have here? Expected with 22 level to hold. Gucci apes into crypto. So I told you guys, right? A lot of people are coming into crypto nowadays. Gucci comes in, Instagram comes in with flow, many people, okay? And again, you saw that day, right? Bitcoin didn't manage to beat this because of inflation. No, because US payrolls were so good, it just went down. So we got to wait until next week. They're not going to do anything. They're just going to follow the S&P 500. And it looks like the S&P 500 has recovered very well. Insane evidence Bitcoin has capitulated in the past 2 months. Really, I didn't know that. Metaverse is a change that's been happening for 20 years. Okay, cryptocurrency be like in 2027. I don't know. That's too long for me. Let's see insane evidence. Have we really capitulated? Because this, according to the miners, have not been capitulated. I know you guys are waiting for the last capitulation, right? Everyone is, including me. When is the last one? I think there's one more round. Maybe I'm wrong. And it's a rare event. Said, what does he say here? The 12 Bitcoin capitulations. Okay, he does offer evidence here. Risk reward skewed positively for Bitcoin, meaning what we see now, the market just wants to go up. Is it really? S&P 500 total annual returns in real terms. We are the worst. So are you surprised we turned around? Are you kidding me? Look, guys, we are even worse than the Great Depression. Really? We're worse than World War I. We're worse than the Great Depression. We're worse than 9/11. We're definitely worse than this. So this is what I said, right? If you were here at my class yesterday, there you can go into the Telegram group. I did put where the replay was, right? We are already, I believe that we are at the start of a 3-year cycle, and I'm just going to go by that, okay? Doesn't mean that Bitcoin cannot go back down, but we are at the start of a 3-year cycle, and I'm moving my money back into the market to buy at strategic dips. And of course, after the Bitcoin halving, preparing that, going all in, making my target 8 million to 10 million ringgit, which is 2 million US to 2.5 million US. As I said, if that doesn't work, I will buy a ticket to Mars and never come back. Hopefully the ticket is only 1 million ringgit or 250K. That is my goal. That's kind of my goal, okay? That's kind of my goal. Bankruptcy, so everything is ultimate sign of capitulation. You guys just accumulation zone, yes. The dip to the lowest prices since late 2020. This is it? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I can't tell. I can't tell. That's the only risk, okay? That's the only risk that I think there is when the Bitcoin miners capitulate. Not yet. Not yet. So that is one risk that I see in Bitcoin. But as far as the market is concerned, I think we are kind of clear to go. Doesn't mean we will have a correction. We will have a correction. You know, just look at the extreme sentiments, and then we will have a correction, and then I believe we go back up, right? And if we fall down, in the event that we fall down, I believe we will fall down and form a stronger double bottom, okay? What else do we have here? Okay, let's see the market news now. Let's go here again. What is the new thing that came out? We have a lot of ingredients that might lead to a recession. Okay, so good Fed Bauman 75 should still be on the table. Okay, she's trying to be the spoiler now. She's trying to puncture our party. She says, stop partying, you guys. This ain't gonna happen. You guys are having too much fun. Should consider 75 basis point interest rate at the coming meetings in order to bring high inflation back down. That's why this Wednesday is so critical. Did inflation go down below 9 or 8 in June? Okay, I supported last week to raise another 75 basis points, and she wants another 75 basis points. But Powell has said he only wants to bring it to 3.5, right? Let's see. Okay, so there are a lot of showstoppers here. What else do we have here? Should put to bed any short-term recession. Don't talk like that. We want it to be a recession, okay? We want it to be a recession. We don't want it not to be a recession, because if it's not a recession, the guys at the Fed will continue putting in rates to puncture the economy. What else is here? Bond traders on a collision course with Fed over long-term view. This new crop of tech companies, I didn't know that. Big oil is paying out years of dividends in one day. Exposure to lower fuel prices, nothing exciting. Initially grinds higher later, okay. Bitcoin, bear market drivers are starting to recede. What is this? Let's go read this. Because you need to know the entire market, right? If you even want to do crypto, guys, if you want to be a good crypto investor, I'm sorry, you got to know the entire market, especially the indices and all this. Green in the market for the remainder of the year. The headwind for equities, the drivers of the bear market are starting to recede. Stocks are feeding off that coming off a powerful July. I'm going to look back at the charts and maybe there are opportunities to go in the markets this week. Let's see if I get into the market, into equities again. I like to dip it more, okay? I like for it to dip it more, okay? So again, consumer discretionary is up. This is good. If this is good, this is very good, guys. If consumer discretionary is up, people are spending, okay? So again, boring week today. Nothing much. You see, nothing much. It doesn't go anywhere. It goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. It wants to go up, okay? It really wants to go up. It's looking for excuses to go up. Let's see where Bitcoin is. Yeah, again, looking for just excuses, entering this zone again. Oh, sorry, that's Ethereum, right? What am I talking about? This is Ethereum. Bitcoin. Let's go into Bitcoin here. Yeah, it's just look at that. It's just trying to get up here, and that's it. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Okay, so nothing much about the market now. It just wants to grind up higher. The danger this week is Wednesday, but let's see what it goes. But what we've had in the previous times is bad news is good news is bad news, and then it goes down. And then what happens? It grinds higher. This is like in a bear market rally. Of course, in a bear market, or not a bear market rally, in a bull trap, probably, it just wants to grind lower like before, right? It just wants to grind lower and lower and lower. And now it looks like it just wants to grind higher and higher and higher. So let's see if the inflation, the CPI, can feed the fuel to the fire. In the meantime, just sign up. I'll change it. It's next week. It's not in April, guys. And let's see what we're going to do next week. I will give out a ledger as a reward for someone who answers the quiz question correctly. But it's time to prepare back into the market. As I told you guys on Saturday, I am going back into the market, not all at once, slowly going in, slowly building the capability. As I said, this is a bear market like no other. Building during the bear market to have enough funds that when we go in, we can literally already make money and set up even more better positions or more riskier positions inside altcoins. They give the same, Dennis. They give the same. It's 1 for 1, okay? And if you guys want to know what Dennis is talking about, come next week to the wallets class. Dennis chef is preparing for something big. Come next week to the wallets class and we'll tell you about it, okay? You might get something. Just set up your wallet correctly, guys, okay? So I'm going to see you later. I'm going to just ignore the word on April. I didn't change the date, right? That was the last time of our wallets class. We have another one. It's August 14th, not April 14th. I probably wasn't wearing my glasses on that date. August must be the same as April. Like, is that April? No. Is that August? No. Is that April? No, it looks like August. And when Dennis has clear eyes, he knows that is actually April. So I'm going to change it. It's next week, guys. Next weekend. I'm going to see you before then. Remember, you might get something. Come. You need to come by and stop by our wallets class next week. Bye, guys. See you. Busy night. They have a lot of trades to set up. Bye, guys. So if you guys want to know why Dennis is putting 10 ETH and where he's putting it, you guys know where to come, right? Next week, 14th, 9:30, okay? 9:30. I'm gonna see you there, guys. Bye. Thanks. Bye-bye.